Django takes 14 files to say hello. Flask needs you to figure out half of it yourself. I'm going to build a fully async, validated, auto-documented API endpoint in under 2 minutes. The timer starts now. 2 packages. FastAPI is the framework. uvicorn is the ASGI server. That's what makes Async possible. Notice we are not using Flask's WSGI or Django's WSGI setup. ASGI means your server can handle thousands of concurrent connections without dreading hacks. When you're working in a production environment that is processing tens of thousands, if not millions of requests, you will surely appreciate this. Just to remind you, Django's startup is 2 to 4 seconds on a cold boot compared to FastAPI, which takes roughly about 0.4 seconds. That is a major difference. We have 4 lines. That's your entire web server. The async dev keyword is doing something important here. It's telling Python's event loop that this function can yield control while waiting for input-output. That means while one request is waiting on a database or an external API, another request is already being handled. No threads, no process forking, just the event loop. This Pydantic model is doing 4 jobs simultaneously. 1. It validates the incoming JSON against these types. 2. It generates the JSON schema for your API docs. 3. If the validation fails, it's going to return a structured 422 error response automatically. No code from you. 4. Your IDE gets full type inference on username, user email, everywhere you use this object. This await async IO sleep is just standing for your actual database write. It might be SQL, Alchemy, it might be MongoDB, whatever your stack is. The critical point I want to make here, during that 0.1 seconds of waiting, your server is not blocked at all. The event loop is free to pick up the next request in the queue. Replace 100 or 1,000 concurrent users all hitting a blocking endpoint with this async pattern, and you've just multiplied your throughput without touching your infrastructure. See why you should appreciate FastAPI in a scaling application. If I now navigate to /docs, FastAPI has auto-generated a full open API spec. Every endpoint, every request model, every response type, every status code, all interactive. You can test your API directly from the browser. No postman, no manual documentation. This updates automatically every time your code changes. In under 2 minutes, you have async request handling, automatic input validation, structured error responses, and interactive API